Hello and a very warm welcome to Edinburgh, the capital of Scotland. I'm David, a local Edinburgh tour guide who's passionate about showing visitors the city on and off the beaten track. I've lived in Edinburgh for over 50 years now, and it'll be a pleasure to meet you and show you around the city. My private tour of Edinburgh's beautiful Dean village gets you away from the hustle and bustle of the busy old town to a village that time forgot. Even as a child growing up in the 70s and 80s here, this was not on the map for most visitors to the city. On this private tour, I'll tell you all about the village's history and in particular the mills which once operated here, providing the ever-expanding city with bread and other much-needed goods. We'll visit beautiful buildings, bridges, cemeteries and galleries and try to spot amazing wildlife along the Water of Leith, which you can just see running behind me here. If we're lucky, we may see a kingfisher, herons, dippers and lots of other birds. We'll also learn about some of the city's most interesting characters, including Dr. Joseph Bell, who was the inspiration for Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's Sherlock Holmes, and David Octavius Hill, who was one of the world's first professional photographers. We'll visit the Gallery of Modern Art, a hidden cemetery, and take in the atmosphere of Stockbridge. I'll also give you lots of helpful tips to take wonderful photos of this beautiful and picturesque village. The tour is completely private to just you and your family or party. It lasts 3 hours and is a fixed price. You can book directly on my website, I'll put a link here, or please get in touch through my website if you'd like any more information. I'll leave you with some footage of some of the places you'll see on your private tour of the Dean village, and I very much look forward to meeting you and showing you this wonderful part of the city. Thanks so much for watching.